Alright, here's video number 2. Today we're going to be working on the windshield wipers. The motor works great, but the windshield wipers are not engaging with the motor, and I got to take the cowl off and see what's going on inside there. So let's get to it. Alright, there's 4 screws across the front. I believe there's some screws when I raise the hood that'll be under this weather stripping. First, let's take off these wiper blades, and then we'll get to these screws next. Y'all please excuse the sound. I got people mowing, I got crop dusters going around. That's just part of the life of living in the country. So I see 2 more screws under here. This is my son Seth helping me. This is our project Jeep. I want to teach him also how to work on this thing a little bit. It should be ready to come off. Pull up on that side just a little bit, Seth. See if it comes out the front. Yeah. Up. Let me see that. Now bring it here. Show the camera. He just found a screwdriver laying down in there, so that's one bonus. It's a cobalt. All right, let's see what's wrong with this thing now. Okay, I see exactly what's wrong. My drive motor is not connected to the linkage. That is good news. The problem that I see, it looks like that part of the linkage is supposed to have a bearing on it, which it don't. I was hoping that this nut right here had came off, but it hasn't. So I'll have to see what I can do to make this right here work. Okay, this right here is what's wrong. Now I've got to figure out what to do. Yeah, it don't look like it was a bearing. I'm not sure. I need to see how these other ones are made. Alright, so I've got this piece fixed. What I did was I drilled a hole straight through that piece that looked like it's supposed to have a bushing on it. I greased up around it real good, and through the hole that I drilled, I screwed this self-tapping screw through it with the washer, and it's free. It's as tight as it can be right there, and it's plenty free. Got a little slop in it, which is, I think, it'll make it functional. Not binds what I mean. And I loosened it up while I was there to get it to where it would articulate very well. So I'm just gonna put this piece back on the motor, and then we're gonna put it back on the Jeep. Alright, I got the windshield wipers on, and let's give them a try. Alright. Worked out really good. I'm happy with that. We're going to continue working on this Jeep. I just found out the other day I had a noise. At first it sounded like it's coming from the transmission, but it is not. It's coming from the rear diff. I will take the diff cover off, and I will rebuild it at some point in time, or try to just fix what I have to. If you want to continue to see us building on this Jeep, we're going to try to pretty much do a full restore on it. We're going to rhino line the inside. Just click the bell icon and you'll get all the notifications when I upload a new video. We're going to try to have them coming pretty regular as money will afford. And so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll keep on building on this Jeep.